We've all heard the expression, have your cake and eat it too. Well, what if you could do that when planning your estate? What if you could take advantage of the generous lifetime gift tax exemption laws by placing your property into a type of dynasty trust so the asset's value grows free of death taxes for multiple generations? Yet, if you later want or need all or part of the gift, it's yours. Meet the HYCET Trust. With traditional gift planning, once the gift is made, it cannot be reclaimed. Yet, if the Great Recession of 2008 taught us anything, it's that you can never be certain you have enough money. Let's say you have an estate with assets you expect to significantly appreciate during your lifetime and would like to take advantage of the current $15 million gift tax exemption. But if your financial circumstances change, how to access the gifted assets? Here's how the HYCET Trust works. You establish the trust in one of the qualifying states like Nevada or Alaska and use all or part of your $15 million gift exemption to fund the trust to avoid any gift taxes. Assume a gift of $10 million that earns an average of 6% per year will appreciate to over $60 million after 30 years. Wanting to take advantage of the generously large gift tax exemption, your tax advisor recommends that you make a gift of $10 million to a dynasty trust. You like the idea, but if later you want some of the gifted assets back, you want the ability to potentially reclaim part of the gift. How do you access assets already transferred to the HYCET Trust? Under the terms of the trust, your precatory request of the trustee for some of the assets you previously gave to the HYCET Trust, say $1 million of the total $10 million given to the HYCET Trust, and the assets are set aside in the subtrust and distributed for your benefit. How much will you save in death taxes? It depends on how large the gift grows in value and the then estate tax rate. The current estate tax rate is 40%. If your $10 million gift grows to over $60 million, your death tax savings are more than $24 million. If the assets grow at 10%, your tax savings will be almost $48 million. Worried about lawsuits? How about your child's divorcing spouse laying claim to the assets of the trust? What about bankruptcy or civil lawsuits? With the HYCET Trust, these are not problems because your children's and grandchildren's creditors are not allowed to touch the trust's assets. What if your estate exceeds $15 million? Again, not a problem. The HYCET Trust may be used to freeze your estate. You can sell some or all of your remaining assets to the trust for an IOU. While your IOU receives a modest interest rate required by government regulations, the assets you sold to the HYCET Trust appreciate in the trust with no death taxes for up to 360 years. Skeptical? Take a look at IRS Private Letter Ruling 200944002 and related rulings authorizing this kind of planning. While the PLR may only be relied upon by the taxpayer who requested it, you can see how the IRS treats this kind of planning transaction. The bottom line? You have a choice. Use a conventional irrevocable dynasty trust and lose the power to reclaim the gifted assets, or upgrade your trust to the HYCET Trust and the tremendous flexibility, asset protection, and estate freeze capability of this more robust trust vehicle. That's why we named it the HYCET Trust. You really can have your cake and eat it too.